Hello everybody, Connie Murphy here. Thank you for stopping by, and thank all you gals that have subscribed to me, all you new ones and my regulars. I just decided to hop on my bike and go for a little ride. The weather is absolutely gorgeous with a nice breeze, and so I'm not sure how far I'm going to go, but yeah, it's breezy. Anyway, well, you know what I did? Something different. For the first time, I bought something online. Yeah, a statue that I saw on one of the YouTube influencers, and it was, I forget the name of it now, but anyway, I'm waiting for them to call me so I can go and pick it up. I was going to have it delivered, but I didn't want to wait a few days, so I'll get the purse today and then I'll show it to you. Oh, I see she painted her shutters red. Well, my house used to be that color, but when I had it repainted, evidently, even though it was the same name, because it was a different company who made the paint, I forget what, it's been a while, they weren't quite the same. And I remember when they painted and I came home and I thought, where's my yellow house? It's got a little bit more tan in it. Sometimes it looks a little on the yellow side, and sometimes it looks kind of beigey. But anyway, it's nice and clean. And I remember when my daughter came over right after I had it done, she goes, wow, this looks like a model home out here. So I said, okay. Well, that house on the end right there is the model that I have. Well, someone got creative with their little topiaries. Now this kind of gripes me because we're all supposed to have that brown fence, but of course there's somebody that always has to be obstinate. I don't know if they'll make her change it, but I hope so. I just think it looks a little bit too gaudy, and everybody else has a brown fence. Now I'm on the back street of my community, so that's why I'm on the street, but I normally always drive on the sidewalk. Well, I gotta say I've been feeling very energetic this past few weeks, and my hip hardly hurts at all. Of course, I've still been walking and a little dancing at home and stretching sometimes. I did start taking vitamin D with calcium, which I hadn't done for quite a few years. All the flowers are coming up really pretty. House used to be. It's not the model of my house, but I always liked those garage windows. I had them in my last home that I owned. Been trying to talk my husband into letting him have them again, but he says people will be able to see in the garage. Of course, I don't see a thing in the garage, and I'm intentionally looking. I think I told you before, my husband is very protective. So those green trees you just saw used to be across the street here also, but they took them out. I mean, they are beautiful, but they do make a mess, and they make a mess a lot of times. They're one of our corner neighbors. Went with the, I call it desert look, but I do say he added some red flowers, so that's nice. Yeah, there you go, right there. So a lot of little changes since I rode my bike last year. Well, I rode it one other time about a month ago. But like I've said before, now that the weather's nice, I will be riding my bike more often. Oh, what we got going over here? Let me show you. That's kind of funny. I wonder what it's supposed to represent. Maybe trying to get somebody's attention, or maybe there's a new baby. Let's see. You've been flocked. Happy birthday. Oh, cute. Oh, her daisies are nice and tall now. And I see my neighbor added 2 little entry lights. Oh, her daisies are nice and tall now. And I see my neighbor added 2 little entry lights. And this neighbor added 3 planters over there against the wall. So it is starting to heat up out here. And I'm glad I only put a little bit of eye makeup on. So I think I'll go another few blocks and call it a day. So nice to see everybody's flowers blooming. And these people took a long time to do something with the front yard. But let me show you what they decided on. They put a fence to their front door also. We've got several neighbors that have put the fence if they have that long wall walk to their front door. And they've got a blue door. Now this next gal used to have a lot of stuff in her front yard, but she made it simple and it has a very cottagey look to me. I like it. See what I mean? She added the shutters and just a simple wreath on the front door. So as I was going around the little playground, there's a gal sitting in the back of her car with a little boy about 7 years old, and I'm wondering if they're going to sneak onto the playground. I think I'll rest right here in the shade. Feels very good. Well, gals and guys, I hope you're out enjoying the weather. And for you people that are used to cold weather, I hope you're out there enjoying it, all bundled up too. Now, I don't usually walk outside when it's really, really cold, but I did go one time and my hubby said, oh, just bundle up. And I did, and I actually enjoyed it. So maybe in the wintertime I'll try that again. Of course, you can still come and enjoy the picnic areas if you'd like. And then this corner house that butts right up to the park decided to put up one of those maintenance-free white vinyl fences. Now the park just has to take care of this landscaping right here. I'll show you. What I mean? Yeah, she paid for all that fencing herself. And it goes with her house color. Hello, little birdie. Hello. And this senior couple did the little desert look too. Cute little walkway there, bridge. This is a model house that I have. And now I'm coming to the end of my ride. I'm hungry. Cooked some chicken this morning and mopped my tile floors in the bathrooms, the laundry room, and the kitchen. Took me an hour and a half exactly because I used one of those special cloths, you know, with water and cleanser, whatever. But I put knee pads on and I went down and scrubbed every single tile. And I've got the big square tiles in a diamond shape. And let them dry. Went back to where I started, and then I rinsed them all off with a white towel and made sure everything was all clean and fresh. So that's what I did today. I'll probably vacuum early tomorrow. My daughter, my sister Bonnie, Well, both of my sisters, Debbie and Bonnie, are coming over tomorrow. And like I said, my daughter in a hurry. So let's see what we got here. Oh, she put up a hanging lamp right there. You see it? And I guess somebody graduated 8th grade, class of 220. Another fence, a tall one I might add. The color that my house used to be, and now I see I can't put shutters up because I've got those thicker trims around the windows. Some more roses. Planted them on the side of our house too. Nice. And this is the color of my house now. Okay, so I am home safely and in one piece. That's the shelf that my husband built along the wall. I guess that's what he thinks everybody's going to see if I was to get those windows, you know, the star windows I call them. Anyway, got my bike parked. I'll show you where I park it. There she is. Okay, so that's going to be it for this video. And my advice is, just like it says, keep calm and carry on. We can do it all together. Alrighty? Don't forget that young gal inside of you. Bye, everybody. Final price. Yahoo! Connie Murphy, over 70, still glamorous. Bye.